exciting for you?
Well, you know, it's a fabulous location. It's a beautiful event. There are a lot of wonderful people here. So we're very happy to be part of that, and we hope to be victorious, but I guess we're going to find out.
I think it's getting together with our peers in the industry, seeing some of the other projects across the United States, see different means and methods. It's a great way to network and show each other what we do and what we know.
I think I'm most excited about seeing my dad get presented with an award after all of his hard work.
I think it's important to have ACI bring people together like they do. They're very good at bringing people together from all over the world, and I think that's what keeps the Institute going at such a healthy pace.
There is no group that has more credibility in the industry than ACI. So to get an award from them is, for us, the most prestigious one to receive.
You know, one of the things I'm most proud about the piece is that on the one hand, it was commissioned as a large-scale public artwork, a large-scale sculpture. And the piece has been very successful from a conceptual and aesthetic perspective. But it's quite rare that a large-scale public sculpture would be made in cast-in-place reinforced concrete. In my mind, one of the aspirations of the piece is to take a material which is typically a utilitarian material and to transform that material, to make it understood in a different way, to give it a kind of higher value, if you will, kind of alchemical process. A lot of people will see the piece from afar and they'll think that it's metal. But when you go up to stealth and you touch it, you realize that it's solid, that it's massive, that it's smooth, that it's sensual in a certain way that you couldn't achieve in any other material. So to take concrete and to transform it, to transform its perception, to transform its value through art was one of the big achievements for me, and it's why I'm so proud of the piece.
What is Italy famous for? Fashion, right?
Absolutely.
Well, it's the most fashionable building of all. A beautiful suit is going to be awarded.
I think the main challenge was the shape. It's made of precast panels, each of them being totally different from the other one. So there are several hundreds of pieces, totally different, that had to be custom made with different molds, and in a very short time. The construction of the facade started about 4 months prior to the opening of the expo and was eventually mounted in about 40 days. They wanted the building to be perfectly white. They wanted the texture of the concrete to be extremely smooth. In fact, if you touch it, it's almost like human skin, and it's concrete. From one side you had the material challenge, and from the other side you had the technological challenge of putting the whole thing together.
The Palazzo Italia is, in my opinion, an emblematic and iconic case of art and science.
Honoring concrete innovation and excellence across the globe.
Honrando la innovación y la excelencia en concreto alrededor del mundo.
La reconnaissance de l'innovation et de l'excellence en béton armé autour de la Terre.
Celebrare l'innovazione e l'eccellenza del calcestruzzo nel mondo.
Betonda inovasyonu ve mükemmelliği onurlandırıyor.
Honoring concrete innovation
and excellence across the globe.